Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to track steps on Apple Watch and iPhone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track your steps on both your Apple Watch and your iPhone, whether you're looking to stay active or just curious about your daily movement. This tutorial will show you exactly how to do it, so let's get started. First, let's talk about how your Apple Watch and iPhone automatically track your steps throughout the day. Both of these devices work together to monitor your activity, but the Apple Watch is the main device for detailed step tracking. Start by looking at your Apple Watch. The Apple Watch uses its built-in accelerometer to track your steps, and you can easily see your step count by checking the activity app. On your Apple Watch, press the digital crown to go to the home screen. Tap the activity app. It's the one that has three rings: move, exercise, and stand. Inside the activity app, swipe up or scroll down to see your steps. You'll notice that it shows the total steps for the day along with your progress in the move, exercise, and stand rings. It's a great way to keep track of your daily activity. To get more detailed information, you can open the Health tab on your Apple Watch. This gives you an in-depth look at your daily, weekly, and monthly steps. You can see your trends over time and see fitness goals for yourself. Now, if you don't have an Apple Watch or if you just want to see your steps on your iPhone, you can track them through Health app. Simply open it. Open your Health tab. Once you're in the Help app, tap on the Browse tab at the bottom and then tap on Activity. You'll see an option for steps. Here you can view your steps for the day, week, month, or even year. If your phone isn't tracking steps yet, you may need to enable it in the settings. To do this, open the Settings app, tap on Privacy, and then tap on Motion. Make sure that fitness tracking and health are turned on. This allows your iPhone sensors to track your steps throughout the day. And that's it. Now you know how to track your steps both on your Apple Watch and iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.